It's essential that your field technicians provide a customer experience that's second to none. Therefore, how quickly they arrive to fix problems in hopefully just one visit, and how well informed they keep your customers are crucial to the success of your business. Too often though, these types of visits simply aren't as successful as they should be, and customers can be left feeling frustrated. But SAP Service Cloud Solutions can help you to always find the right technicians with the right skills who will get the job done. Its Internet of Things technology will keep your staff fully updated with all the information they'll need to fix issues on their very first visit and keep your customers happy. Let me show you how. Our mobile app lets you locate the nearest and best qualified technician, whether they're part of your own team or independent. And AI-powered planning tools such as Workforce Scheduler and Field Service Dispatch will save your business valuable time by automatically allocating jobs. The app will also give your technicians access to all the data and instructions they'll need, whether offline or online, to solve problems quickly and keep costs down. The app can also be used to show customers their service history, warranty, and technical product data. Within the checkout process, your technicians can complete all documentation like invoicing and uploading reports, entering work time spent and their expenses. Another invaluable tool is the self-service portal. This lets customers find the answers to queries directly from their smartphone. They can scan a product's QR code or serial numbers to choose from a variety of self-service options, schedule an appointment with a technician, engage with our AI chatbot, and get notifications as to when replacement parts are arriving. And it even flags up issues for them to look out for. It's that smart. Find out more about how SAP Service Cloud can help your business develop a more responsive and efficient field service team while saving you money and keeping your customers happy and satisfied. For more information, please visit cx.sap.com.